Oh, where'd I set my tape measure?
All right, boys. We'll grab stone, glue, set stone.
Yeah. 148. 7 4 1/4. 7 3. We can do those two pieces. Oh, where'd I set my damn tape measure? I had it this morning. I just had it. No. I'm worried I dropped it somewhere. And then it got ran over and pushed into the ground. Oh, I did. Oh, that still works. Hell yeah. Found it.
Oh, did you get ran over?
Yeah, by the MT.
It's perfectly fine because it's Milwaukee.
That's what he said.
That's what I'm talking about.